Back at you again, again. Singing them rhymes, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive. All right, now we about to change out the rear axle seals and bearings. Alrighty, we got the bearing out. You need a snatch bar. I'll take the tool apart and show you what you need to do and show you on the other side. That's the tool that you need.
Along with the snatch bar.
Okay, he's going to show you how to do it.
Get this in here, all the way back there, where it lock on to the bearing. Screw your nut up close, where it's locked on. And you gotta make sure you do this right. Get him on there straight where he started. There you go. Get him all the way on there. And then you take it. There it goes. Come on out, baby. There go your bearing.
All right, we got the pitman arm on. Now we about to install the, no, that's the idle arm. We got the idle arm on. Now we're gonna install the pitman arm. Okay, we got our pitman arm installed. And our idle arm installed. Get the other side.
You hit that one?
Okay, on this frame, when you put in the tires, you cannot use 14s. We tried them, the original 14, they won't fit because it's not big enough to go over the caliper. But we had a set of 15s that came from the 66. We're going to put those on the front right now. Rims and tires. You got lug nuts right in back of you. Here you go. You got acorn lug nuts? Alrighty, we got our front wheels on. They sold us the wrong rear axle bearing and seal. I got to take those back. Other than that, we would have on the rear wheels and have a rolling chassis. And I'm waiting on my radius arm bushings. These are right here. We already sandblasted those, but we need the new bushings that connects to the front. So let's install the bolts to the shocks underneath.
Harmonica.
Got the axles on. We traded in and got new axle seals and axle bearings for the rear. Took care of that. We got all our rear brakes, brake hardware.